The 2007-2013 Chevy Silverado key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. These batteries typically last 2 to 5 years. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to open the fob. You can purchase them at most stores or online. Having these ready will ensure a smooth and efficient replacement process. No special equipment is required beyond these basic household items. First, locate the seam on the side of your Silverado's key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam and pry open the two halves. Note the orientation of the battery. Remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it doesn't work, try reseating the battery or consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions.